The Samsung Galaxy S24 series, which will be released early next year, has been making waves in the smartphone market, with the S24 Ultra emerging as the flagship contender. The greatest Samsung phones include Armor aluminum chassis, which is stronger than standard aluminum and provides the phones a more premium feel in the hand. The Korean tech giant might employ a titanium frame on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra next year to kick things up a notch. Titanium is roughly 4 times denser and tougher than aluminum, so it should be more resistant to dents and scratches in everyday usage. Normally, switching to a denser material for the center frame results in an increase in weight, however that does not seem to be the case with the S24 Ultra. It would weigh roughly 233 g, which is already less than the current generation S23 Ultra. With the S24 series, we anticipate Samsung to lift the bar with major advancements. The S23 Ultra features one of the greatest screens on a flat-panel smartphone right now. According to latest rumors, Samsung plans to go flatter with the S24 Ultra display. The biggest and most noticeable change that we can see from the mock-up is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra may ditch the curved displays in favor of a phone with a flat front, similar to what we see on the current S23 and S23 Plus, but Samsung may retain the ultra-sharp corners on the S24 Ultra, giving it a distinct look. According to Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra will include a 50 megapixels 3x telephoto sensor, up from the S23 Ultra's 10 megapixels sensor. The actual sensor specifications were not disclosed, but a rise from 10 to 50 megapixels indicates an almost 5-fold increase in picture resolution. So each photograph captured with the S24 Ultra is intended to be flawless, and when the 3x optical zoom is utilized, the enhanced image resolution should negate any loss in quality. According to reports, Samsung intends to introduce the next generation of its flagship smartphone using a Snapdragon CPU. The S24 Ultra will be available in all countries with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the other two variants may be available in certain areas with an Exynos 2400 processor. Samsung and Qualcomm will continue their cooperation, which began earlier this year with the announcement of the S23, with an exclusive for Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The future S24 series will also be powered by a Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor that will outperform the conventional model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.